What up? Bro, it's like 7. We had to leave at 6:30.
Classic us.
You're in the car with the Kabis!
And it begins.
We're on a roll. We're literally driving.
Are we driving?
Yeah,
just
we're
start driving.
Oh,
For watching the first episode ever of the Kabis.
we actually started becoming friends.
Performance pressure, guys. It's our first time. Oh, dogs! Please!
Fuck.
Oh, God!
Doggies.
Dude, it's like they had a death wish. And what is up with so many runners in the morning?
They're making us feel bad. We're gonna get
Dude.
food and they're gonna get fit.
For all our 0 followers, we'll tag you. Tag the place. So, should we disclose the location? Like, what is
Yeah,
the...
just tell everyone where we're going.
Okay, so we're basically going to this place that me and Ahilya both are obsessed with. This is probably collectively our 5th time between both of us, because the amount of times we've been there already since they open. We won't tell you, we'll actually show you. We'll do like a... Oh my god, I love this. Where will we park though? That is my question. Waiting in the line to get our dosa.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna do a Beni Puri plain. Where's our Puri? Beni Puri plain. Special.
Yes.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Okay, sick.
Very blue.
Cute.
Yeah. Cream will come before.
We came to Beni and there's no Hindu
Sad.
ice cream.
We literally came for this, but it's okay. We still love Benny.
Oh, no. Okay. Yeah. Oh, look at that Mysore Park, brother.
Take it to the car.
So, at least let's do a fake plate cheers. So, we're noobs at this. Clearly, we recorded a whole bunch of content
But
right
it all
now.
got deleted.
It all got deleted. This is what happens, guys, when you're all new content creators. Respect to content creators who do this on the daily.
Seriously, how do you do
Freaking
it?
hard, man. Freaking hard. Okay. So, I think quickly, let's get back into what we just yapped about. So, we came to Beni, like, first of all, yeah, see the dosa. Ahilya, I think you need to go closer. Look at this. So, what we love about Beni is basically this gorgeous, crispy exterior.
Heaven.
And this inside, like,
Just pure
fluffy,
heaven.
pancake-like situation going on. And so, story time. When last year, I went to Bangalore for a trip, and that was my first time trying a proper Beni dosa. And I tried it at CTR, which is like the holy grail in Bangalore.
Oof.
Bro, it was literally insane. Like, and this comes so close to that, like so close, it's not even funny. So
this was the first time I was trying Benny.
yeah.
And honestly, we literally made it for the first sitting. And it was honestly a very random thing that we decided.
Yeah.
Where we're like, oh, this new place is starting. Let's just go and like sign up on the guest list. It'll be fine, you know, we just go for the experience.
The people who run it, like Akhil and his wife, they're so nice, they're so friendly. I think once I was standing in line and they actually just, you know, gave free Mysore Park, water, like
The hospitality was
Hospitality's
something else. Like, I was like such nice, kind people, and
crunch.
and they make the food so good. Just look at that pancakey texture, guys.
And you know, I've had like a Beni in our favorites, like we love Matunga. We've both grown up going to Matunga.
It's heaven.
It's just amazing. Like Ramashrey, Madras Cafe, Cafe Mysore, all these places, great. But literally, I've had their Beni dosa, and this one just is far, far better. Like, honestly. And I think what we should do is definitely a rating for y'all to give y'all an idea about how much we like things. Ahilya, you want to start off?
I think for me, the thing is, we are huge fans of like Benny, but barring all of that, it's still like, I think the whole idea is that there is the concept of diminishing marginal utility, which is basically that with each bite or every time you eat something of the same kind, your satisfaction level of eating it becomes lesser. But it just doesn't with this. Like every time I've had it, I feel just as wow, and it's just a 5 for me, like out of 5. Like it just hits it out of the park.
Same for me. I think the dosa is just fab. It's something like we look at the stories and we're like, why aren't we eating a beni right now? Like we just love it. So 5 for me from the dosa perspective. And the Mysore Pak, guys.
Oof.
Their Mysore Pak is doused in ghee. It's just so generous, so soft, so yummy.
It melts in your mouth.
Melts in your mouth. If anyone has better Mysore Pak recommendations,
hit
put
us
it down
up in the comments.
But this is like my favorite in the city, and I'm not even a Mysore Pak girl. Like they converted me. Like it's literally crazy how they did. And
the ghee is so indulgent, like, but it is so good.
And that's what good things in life should be. Just doused
in ghee.
Doused in ghee and butter. And obviously we can't forget our drinks. Oh my god, guys, it's been 30 years of my life. And why did I not know that fucking Ice Bonvita is so bloody good? And why have I not known this? So
I love the ice filter coffee, which is what I had. It was yum.
Yeah.
Oof.
Yum. And we're big fans of their kapi as well. Their kapi is insane. And in like this heat, like
it's perfect.
The iced filter kapi is insane.
It's very Bombay.
And like obviously the hot kapi is like also really good. But like in Bombay's heat, you just need something iced, man. You just need that. And that's what it is.
I love how I have finished my dosa and you're like still eating.
Yeah, because like it's okay. I'm like that, you know that meme? Like you go with your boyfriend and it's like he's done and you're like eating daintily. Not that I'm eating daintily, but like whatever.
I loved it, and I think that's the difference between Riya and me. Like she eats her food slowly, like nicely, and I eat it like as if this is my last meal.
Love that.
Yeah. I think overall we'd give it a solid 5 out of 5. Bangers, banger place, banger parking. Great food. The dosa, oof, the ghee. Guys, whoever y'all are getting ghee from, wow. Oof, too good.
So Mysore Pak also I give it a 5 on 5.
Yeah.
The Ice Bonvita, I give the Ice Bonvita a 4 point. No, I give it a 5, bro. I loved it. I love that.
I think the ice filter coffee gets a 4 out of 5 for me.
Yeah, I get that. Because the kapi is really nice, but it's not like the best kapi.
I somehow like the Bonvita more.
Yeah. I think maybe it's just probably like a different taste. Probably.
Yeah.
Or maybe they brewed it differently. I don't know. Like,
it's just it's different today, I think.
Yeah.
But it's just so good, everything. Like
okay, I should have a bite of the Mysore Pak to give you all a little. Oh my god.
I'm just gonna go crazy.
Eat, camera.
Just look at that. Look at it, it's stuck to my finger.
So good.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to drive home because I'm in a food coma now.
I think things to mention that sometime today we stood in a line for like maybe 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Which is great for Beni because usually I have stood in a line for like 1.5 hours and that's like normal out here.
If you're like Enthu cutlets out there, come at 7 a.m. and come there without a line, and it's totally worth waking up at 7 a.m. for, guys.
Because like Bandra's asleep in the morning on a weekend, bro. So
and
like
there's
make
no
the most
traffic,
of it.
and there's no traffic. That's the best part.
And I'll be very honest. I feel like we're just like those people who are so Enthu. We'll wait. We'll wait for like 1.5 hours. We'll wait in whatever condition. If you're giving us a banging meal, we'll wait. We don't care.
Call us to review your food.
If you have a banging meal, you want us to yap about like this for hours,
we will do it.
We'll do it,
Just
bro.
Call us.
Or drop a comment below.
Or slide into our DMs.
Yeah. But and definitely like I mean, if you're that kind of person, then Beni is just it for you. But even if you're not, take some time out, come to Beni, bro.
It's worth it.
Okay, and that's us from Beni, signing out with the best food.
See you on the next episode.
See you.